Now the next question is, do you have any question for us? And most of the people, most of the candidates will say no, and this is the worst answer or the worst response that a candidate can give. It implies simply that either you are not interested in the job, or you are interested, or you are ready to take anything that is offered to you. Actually, you may have many questions, but you don't find courage to ask those questions. So never say no. And don't ask any question for the sake of asking. Don't ask unrelated questions. There is no point in asking question for the sake of asking questions. You should always have few meaningful questions to show your seriousness and that you have come prepared. So what you have to see, you have to make sure is that even that you have a choice. You have to show that even you have a choice to work with that company or not. So this is what is indicated when you ask a question. Ask a question with respect to the goals for that particular position. Now, if you have developed a skill, and that skill is during the course of your interview, you get into the conversation mode, and it's like that you're having a conversation with them, you will be viewed as a strong contender for that position. You will be considered as a genuine contender for that particular position. Now, how you are going to ask the question? What are the questions that you are going to ask? A simple one could be like this: sir, what is the day-to-day routine like in this position? So now the HR can tell you, yeah, this is at this position, this is what you have to do on a daily basis. Or you can ask this question: what should be the most important quality an employee of this company should possess? So now the interviewer can understand, the HR can understand that you are interested in the kind of qualities or the kind of inspiration or the motivation that the people should have when they are taken into this company. Or you can say, simply ask a question: how long is the training period? It simply signifies that you are ready to join the company. So this could be the message. But you have to make sure that you never ask questions which are of this kind. Is there any reason why I won't be hired? Now, if you ask this question, interviewer may not like to show your weaknesses to you. So never ask this question. And never ask, when do I expect the results of this interview? Now, if you are a candidate whom they want to select, you will always come to know. But if you are somewhere in the middle, or you don't have that qualities to be selected, they will always say, we will let you know. So instead, you ask different question or the same question in a different way. So the question could be, sir, when do you expect to take a hiring decision? So now they could answer to you saying that in a week or two. So you come to know that what is the time period within which they will be taking a decision. You could always ask another question, which is also a very simple one. So would you mind I following up with you? So now the HR can say, yeah, it's okay, I don't mind. Or he may say that we'll let you know. So these are the questions that you could ask. So what you have to do is you always have to seek permission. It's always good that you ask them. So when you call them back, they will not mind, and you will also not feel nervous about asking them for the decision that they have taken. तो इस तरह से आप अपने सवालों का इस तरह आप इस सवाल का जवाब दे सकते हैं कि जब आपसे कोई पूछे कि हमारे लिए कोई सवाल है कि नहीं है, तब आप उनको इस तरह से आप बता सकते हैं कि जो है, आपको कभी नहीं कहना है कि आपके पास कोई सवाल नहीं है। इसका मतलब सिर्फ ये होता है कि या तो आपको वहाँ काम करने में रुचि नहीं है, या आपको जो भी मिल जाए आप उससे संतुष्ट हो जाएंगे। और कुछ भी पूछने के लिए कोई सवाल मत पूछिए। आपको दिखाना पड़ेगा उनको कि आप तैयारी के साथ आए हैं और आप जो हैं इस पोजीशन के लिए सीरियस हैं और आपकी भी जो है चॉइसेस हैं कि उस कंपनी को ज्वाइन करना कि न करना। तो आपको ध्यान रखने का है कि आप सवालों को लेकर जाएं और उन्हें पूछें।